Time to get in touch with the NAACP.
Yeah, you can do what you need to do. We're not done.
Go, dude.
We will tell you.
So just hang tight.
Goddamn.
You want to get this?
This is the biggest lawsuit ever. As soon as I get out. No. 2.5 years. It took y'all 2.5 years to get the notice. Really? To get the notice?
On July the 8th, 2024, at approximately 9 a.m., medics with the Columbus Division of Fire were attempting to help a homeless, elderly woman who had reportedly fallen down several times. Her son was with her and did not appear to be of sound mind, was preventing medics from checking on the woman, so they called for police assistance.
Fallen 3 times since we've been here. Apparently this is son won't let us touch her, won't let us check her out, saying that we're trying to
Does she
hurt
want
us.
to be home?
We can't even tell.
Hey, dear.
I don't trust no one.
Sir, she needs.
Nope.
Does she need medical?
Someone called without my motherfucking permission.
I understand
That's
that.
why.
I'm asking you, does she need medical? Right
No,
now?
and she been saying no.
Do you need anything?
No.
Why not?
Because y'all failed us for 2.5 years.
Hey, relax.
2.5 years of this shit. Now y'all want to come and help? No. And y'all trying to say, oh, it's not. She landed on my back.
Okay.
Sir.
Who's trying to get her? She doesn't.
female?
Yeah, but she doesn't want help.
Like she said, what you
And
wait?
he's preventing CFD from even looking at her.
No.
Someone called us.
Hell no.
Right. She's on some bystander. There's somebody passing. Relax.
Like she said, no, you wait. No. Hell no. Because this is a goddamn hospital. Nope. I'm suing you. I'm suing you.
All right.
I'm suing you.
You're under arrest! You're under arrest! Resistance!
I'm not resisting. Yes, you are. Unlawfully. I've been time. What is y'all doing with my mom? She said no.
Relax.
That's why she said
Okay, we're just going to check her, and you need to relax a moment, okay?
Oh my God. This is the biggest lawsuit ever. As soon as I
Why?
get out.
Because we're trying to render aid to somebody who clearly needs to be helped?
It took y'all 2.5 years to get the notice.
To
Really?
do what?
To get the notice to help?
All right, can you walk over to my cruiser?
Am I being detained?
You're under arrest!
All right.
We're interfering with an emergency.
All right. So what's going to happen to
Stop
my
right here.
shit?
Just relax a moment.
Gonna stay right there.
Why are you keeping her from being helped?
Man, y'all haven't helped us. What?
I've never
No,
met you before, so I can't
No,
help you.
hell
I've never met
no.
you in my entire life.
Where's Tom?
Man, look, it's people like y'all that put people like me in jail for no reason. Just me being homeless is a cause. The fuck?
Yeah, we're Falco.
We're just trying to help her. And this all could have been avoided if she just was treated by the medics and then we're gone. That's all
Man,
this is. And
please.
you made it into so much more.
Oh, please.
Okay, well I'm just trying to explain to you what's going on. Yeah, if you don't mind. Do you have ID on you, sir?
Yeah, it's expired.
Okay, can I get it?
He's going to get it right now.
Okay. Do you have warrants?
Yeah.
Warrants? I'm homeless with no record. So
We'll
how
see
the
that.
hell do I have a record? And then you wipe the sweat from my eye that gets in it? Put your handcuff.
I would love to do that for you after I check your ID and we search you and get you into custody, okay?
I did.
Oh, okay.
Oh, now I'm Mr. K.
Well, what would you like me to call you if I didn't know your
Keep
name?
your legs spread.
I got no weapons, man.
Okay, but we have to search you, okay?
And that knife that y'all gonna be finding in my back pocket, I use that for motherfucking fruit and can. I ain't got no goddamn can opener out this bitch.
I'll get a bag.
Am I gonna be able to at least get that back so I can open up cans while homeless out this bitch?
It's just being held in your property.
Time to get in touch with the NAACP.
Yeah, you can do what you need to do. We're not done.
Go, dude.
I'm not
We will
saying
tell
a word,
you.
though.
Just
I'm
hang
gonna
tight.
over. Goddamn.
You want to get that side of
Why y'all being so aggressive?
Because you were being aggressive.
I'm not being aggressive now, so what's for it?
No needles in here, man?
What do I do, shoot up?
We don't know you. Yeah, crack pipe in there. That's why I'm asking.
Crack pipe? Smell the goddamn pipe. Smell the pipe. Crack don't have no smell. Weed does. And if you put it in forensics, you're gonna find out it's weed. Crack pipe my ass. Man, that's my mom's phone and her other phone. Yeah. Securing it for what? Evidence?
To give it back to you when we're done.
I'm not even fucking resisting. What
All right,
the
just
fuck?
stop talking. Face forward.
Yeah, we'll get you out of here as soon as possible, buddy. It's hot and another.
Man, that's my goddamn gemstone. For good luck. Goddamn.
We're putting in your property, so we lose it. What else does
Shit, if y'all stripping me like this, I might as well strip off the goddamn cross I got around my neck.
They'll probably do that at the jail.
That'll go off too.
Can I at least get my goddamn glasses?
Yes.
Yep.
Shit. This is the second time this shit done happened. The second time.
Well,
Oh,
my
really?
guys were saying that they were trying to get her to the medic, and every time they tried to get her to the medic, she almost fell like 3 times. They threw up, grab her, and he's pushing her out, pushing him out of the way.
Yeah.
So what exactly? Because we might need what exactly you did to keep you from doing your job for our compliance.
Well, I saw
Nick.
that. I saw that. I mean.
Oh, you did? Okay.
Yeah, I mean the one medic. He won't. Let me get your name.
Holding her back.
Somebody got it.
Is that what he
Somebody already got it.
Yeah, they got
Okay.
it.
Yeah, so
How
he
we
went
get
to
the run? What was the initial?
We got dispatched on a seizure. Yeah. So he was upset that we even came. We're like, we don't know who called. We're just here. We got dispatched. He did not let us check her out, but she's unresponsive on the sidewalk.
Oh, she was.
And then once we finally got her stood up, she's like,
She was falling out. He went to try to grab her.
every
and
time
help
we
her,
tried to catch her,
and he stepped in front of her.
stepping in front of it like we couldn't.
She was barely able to stand up.
I mean,
So
even
while
when
we
you
were
guys
still
first
conversing
got
with
it.
him, she'd like fall over and he's grabbing, pulling, and they're trying to help her.
Because we can't let some lady
Right.
fall, and, you know, I mean.
Understandable.
I'm not going to bother you about the car, but you can't block traffic. Like,
I don't block traffic.
okay, let me sit down.
I know better than to block traffic.
Basically, they're for you.
Like I said, this is the second time this shit happened.
Well, I don't like that it keeps happening.
Man, neither do I.
Maybe we need to change how we do things.
No.
Come over here. You have to sign it. You're not done.
You're gonna sign your paperwork.
All right. Well, that was going to be cigarette for me to roll up on the way down, but I don't know. That's how I signed the name.
I just wanted my pen back.
All right, so I signed it.
You get a copy.
No, that's not what I'm asking.
Oh.
Where am I getting mine and my mom's phone back?
Nobody's
that's the only
took
form
anything
of-
from you.
of
All your
communication that we
properties,
had.
right
all your
there.
properties right in that bag.
No, I was just asking.
Yeah, it's right there in that bag.
I understand. I was just asking.
Don't forget.
I understand. This ain't my first time.
All right, sir. All your property that we took off you is in that bag.
Mr. Dante Cage was arrested for misconduct at an emergency and released with a summons to appear in court. That charge was dismissed about a month later.